Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with Shreya. So hope you're doing well. This is my first video when I'm sitting in front of the camera, so I'm a bit nervous. Please excuse if I speak anything crazy. Thank you. So today's video is a review video of Purplle Ultra HD Matte Lipsticks. Purplle has recently launched their own brand and they have launched their lipsticks. And they have launched two forms of lipstick. One is the bullet kind of and another is the liquid lipstick. So I have the bullet ones. So comment down below if you want to see the review of the liquid lipsticks. Please let me know. These lipsticks retails only for Rs 399, which is really very affordable, and this comes in this type of box packaging, which is in the pinkish and purplish kind of box, and at the back of the box there is written the ingredients here, and it looks very cute actually. It looks very cute. And here is written it is manufactured at 2018 and used before 2021, which is a pretty much long time to use. So this is a very good point of these lipsticks. So the lipstick comes out like this. This is the packaging of the lipstick. It is black and golden packaging and it looks very classy. And also here is written the Purplle, and over there here is written a small P, which indicates the Purplle, and at the bottom there is a color coded sticker which have the name, the shade name and everything written there. So it is very easy if you want to pick up which color you want to use. So if you have this type of lipsticks, a couple of lipstick like this, so you can easily pick up which one you want to use. The thing I like about the packaging is this, it has a magnetic packaging and you can see the magnet is pretty much strong, so it won't get spoiled in your purse or in your bag, so it will be safe and secure for that reason. Now comes the shade range. They have launched 24 shades, which is pretty much a huge variety of shades, and there are shades of pinks, there are shades of purples, there are shades of reds, there are shades of nudes and also some dark colors. I think 2 or 3 dark colors are there. You can see the bullet of the lipstick. It has a flat and wide surface, which is a problem for those who have thin lips, because they have to apply the lipstick with a lip brush, so it is a problem. They can't use the bullet like this. So the formula of this lipsticks is really dry, because this is not that kind of matte which is satiny matte or just soft matte. This is completely mattifying matte. So the application, when you are applying it in your lips, it will be a bit problematic. So make sure that you moisturize your lips before applying these lipsticks, and you can use a light textured moisturizer or any lip balm, because if you use any heavy moisturizer on your lips, the color wouldn't come into your lips. So if you want the color, you have to use any light textured moisturizer or a light lip balm. And after applying this lipstick, it don't dries out your lips. I repeat, it don't dries out your lips. It is very wearable, it is very comfortable on your lips. Maybe the application is a bit harsh, but after applying it into your lips, it don't dries out or it doesn't settle into your cracks. So after applying, it is a very good lipstick. Yeah. Color consistency of this lipstick is really very good. It stays up to 5 to 6 hours, and after that it just fades away, leaving a very beautiful stain. And the stained lips literally look very beautiful. I am telling you, it looks really very beautiful. The lipstick is waterproof and also smudge proof until and unless you rub it off. So who does that, right? The colors are highly pigmented and I have only picked up 2 which I liked the most. I went through the website and I got attracted with these 2 colors. The colors are gazing partner and another is the leg pulling partner. And now just move on to the swatches. this lipstick. I've written it in my phone because there are a lot of pros. So the pros, number 1, these are complete mattes. Number 2, they have rich colors. Number 3, these are highly pigmented. Number 4, huge variety of shades. Number 5, smudge proof. Number 6, waterproof. Number 7, non-drying on lips. And number 8, long lasting. And the cons are only 2. They are a bit problematic while applying, and the number 2, transfers a bit. Oh yeah, there is number 3 cons for some peoples who have thin lips. The bullet is the cons for them too. So they can use any lip brush and they can use the lipstick because the lipsticks are really very beautiful. That was the complete review of these lipsticks. I gave you all the detail and all the possible informations about this lipstick. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please give it a very big thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. And also subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and also hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my updates. And stay tuned. Keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Bye.